Hi YouTube, it's Courtney I Can, and I am just doing a little video on my cat Goldie. I've had him for how many years? Since 5th grade. So I'm gonna say, how many years is that? Not good at math, you guys. How many years is that, Mom? She's calculating. I'm about to tell y'all my age. Ooh.
About 23 years.
About 23 years. Give or take. Anyway, so this is my cat. Say hi, Goldie. That's my cat. He's very old, but he's very loved. Look at him, my little cat. He used to be a lot plumper than this. That's my dad in the background, y'all. Yeah, say hi, Goldie. That's Goldie. I love my Goldie. I actually have a tattoo on my lower back that says "One Goldie" with some tribal art. Because I love my Goldie, you guys. That's Goldie. That's my mom from far away. Wave, mama. Alright, thanks for watching.